Welcome back to the channel, guys. Craig here again, HowToPest.com. We have another product for you here today, and we're going to get into that in just a minute. But it's Memorial Day weekend, and we want to give a shout out to all those soldiers out there that allow us to do what we're doing right now, filming these videos and you listening to my stupid jokes. So shout out to all the soldiers and the fallen ones out there, and happy Memorial Day to you guys. So product today, PT Fendona. Helps if I look at my product before I tell you what I'm doing. PT Fendona by BASF. You out there know that they make awesome products and have been around and are one of the big names in pest control. So, what is PT Fendona? I like the comment that we had the other day, and we seem to get more of these, and it's just they love that we get straight to the point. So I'm going to try to do that here and not bore you with things that you just don't need to know about. So this is a pressurized insecticide. What makes this fantastic is it has a 90-day residual. So let's talk about something you get at the counter, like an over-the-counter raid. You spray and you're just killing those what you see type things, and it's done. This is a professional grade. That's why they have professional grade products versus I can go to Lowe's and Home Depot and get the over-the-counter. This stuff is just way better. So like I said, 90-day residual, but it has a knockdown in 5 minutes or less. So you're going to hit what you're seeing and start wiping those out in 5 minutes or less, but then it's going to leave you that residual. This is not going to be your I go around the whole house and spray. Could you? Probably. But it's a waste of money and a waste of your time. So this is when I don't want to bust out the sprayer. I don't want to mix the chemical I have. I'm just getting a little problem with, XYZ bug over here. This is your go-to. So you're going to pop the lid, you're going to shake well. It has a straw insert in the hole there, so if you need to get in to places, it allows for that. Most of the applications, you're not going to need it. It's going to be a crack and crevice. You're going to bust this out. You're going to aim it about 1 inch, I'd say about a foot apart. It's going to be no bigger than a 2 square foot area that you're going to spray for 1 second. That's it. So about a foot away, you spray it for 1 second. Don't go more than a 2 square feet, and you're good to go. If you need to go in the cracks and crevice, just quick little spray here and there. There's going to be different application rates for different insects, and that is on the label like we always tell you. We're not going to go in here and give you every different application label. Where can you use this? Just about everywhere. You can use this in your classrooms, your nursing homes, your campground. So let's say you're at a campground and you're the campground owner or the maintenance guy, and you need to bust something out real quick because one of the sites is getting a spider here and there, or they're getting a couple of ants. Quick. You don't have to get your sprayer. It's on your golf cart. Roll out, take care of it. You're going out for the weekend on the boat.
How'd you like to go fishing this weekend?
You haven't taken it out all year. It's now summertime, Memorial Day. You're going out with the fam. You may want to hit some areas under the wheel wells for the spiders that have accumulated. You might have some areas in the boat that you want to spray. Perfectly safe product to use. What is the active ingredient? I always like to share this for you guys if I can remember and I can pronounce it right. It is alpha cypermethrin. Cypermethrin. So it is what it is, right? PT Fendona will knock down your wasps, your ants, your cockroaches, your bed bugs, silverfish. It just has a plethora of bugs. So just go off the label. It's always easier to read the label on HowToPest.com on our site because you can blow it up unless you're 16 years old and your eyesight is 20/20 or you're a fighter pilot. I don't know. Either way, mine's not. I need readers, so I blow the label up, but it is right here on the can and you can read everything that's on the label right off the can. What am I missing on Fendona? I gave you 90-day residual. I gave you a quick knockdown. To me, that's about it. These aerosol cans, that's what they're for. That's when you just need to do something really fast. Indoor, outdoor, yes, you can use this both. And like I said, the areas you can use this, pretty much anywhere. Food handling establishments, yes. Hey, you got a restaurant and you need to knock down a little ant situation real quick, or you saw a little roach in the back room, boom, PT Fendona. PT Fendona. That's about it on PT Fendona, guys. It's cut and dry, simple product to use, shake, aim, spray. That's it. Craig here, HowToPest.com. We appreciate the comments. Thank you all you guys that like and subscribe. And I know sometimes these are boring, but I just, like I said, the comments that we get, straight to the point, that's what I want to do with you. How do you get it, purchase it, use it, and be done? It's not that exciting. It's pesticides. All right, guys, have a great day. Happy Memorial Day to all of you. And thank you again to all of our soldiers. Oh, I get a little teary-eyed. America. All right, take care.